A revolution in the design of buildings with shifted floors, such as buildings with staircases, production halls with an adjoining office area, or single-family homes with a lowered living room level, brings the possibility of creating additional and internal story levels. During the design process on plan views, both the main, additional and internal story levels are visible in the worksheet selection window in the form of a tree. Each element, except for riser and building contour elements, can be assigned to the main, additional, or internal story level in the data table window. To facilitate orientation on the level currently being designed, rooms located on story levels other than the currently selected one have a corresponding graphical marker. The new guideline feature allows for the preliminary indication of the division line of structural elements, such as floors, activating additional snap points. The division of structural elements function allows for the division of walls, floors, roofs, and manual rooms along the designated cutting line. Structural elements like walls can define their position from level to level according to previously defined levels. The Correct Wall Connections button corrects wall connections if they were not correctly joined during their creation or modification. In 3D view, it is possible to display story levels and their elevations according to the data defined in the story management window. A slab element can close spaces with its side wall, allowing for the automatic creation of rooms. This enables the creation of stairs or cascading floor slabs that define the complex shape of the space and its thermal partitions. Designing on a selected level determines the assignment of inserted installation elements to the appropriate level and the automatic connection of receivers to the installation. The automatic generation of schematic views function also considers additional and internal story levels. Due to its prototype nature for such cases, the new entry in the element data table starting point is described with the prefix beta. When copying an entire story using the Copy button in the Story Management window, additional and internal story levels of the base story are also copied along with the assigned installation elements. Similarly, functions for copying selected installation fragments on floors above or below consider the presence of additional and internal story levels on other stories and their elevations. case where the building structure is created from an IFC file, the new button Create an additional story level between selected slabs roofs from IFC file allows for the automatic creation of additional story levels, after selecting the appropriate horizontal structural partitions from the IFC file.